Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how you can do conditional lookup, conditional count, and conditional aggregation in StackBy. So imagine you're managing your projects. There are three tables: projects, tasks, and clients. In the projects table, it is connected to the clients table as well as the tasks table. And we have the statuses, the total number of tasks associated with this particular project, and the remaining tasks, which is basically an aggregation of the completed tasks from the task table. Now, what we're going to do is we'll go to the clients table, and within the clients table, now I want to see the total tasks, which is already configured, but I also want to see the tasks that are due this particular week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a conditional lookup count here. So if I go to my column, do a lookup count from the projects table, and essentially if I click on this toggle, it will open up a filter where I just want to see where the due date is 1 week from now, and I apply it. And I can call it tasks due this week. It basically gives you all the tasks that are due for this week, and these are the total number of tasks. Now I want to see only the tasks that are content related, and I want to do a lookup of it. So now I will do a lookup, call it content tasks. Now I want to find these tasks from this particular projects table, and here I'll just add the project name, and here I want to add a particular category and give it a filter where I just want to see only the content related tasks, and I apply it. So I essentially see all the content related tasks for this particular project. Now, if I want to do a conditional aggregation where I want to see how many tasks are currently being done, so what I'll do is I'll call it doing tasks, an aggregation, and in this I want to select the total tasks column from the projects table, and I want to summarize by sum and add a filter where the status is doing, and apply. So it will give me all the current tasks that are being done from the projects table. So if I change this to done, it will also automatically change accordingly in the clients table. So this is how you can do conditional lookup count, conditional lookup, and conditional aggregation using filters in StackBy.